up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong.
Warmi Miriga Budger in a Wunya, you go now Warma Ngurawa. Hello friend, good to see you today. I'm on Warma country. Well, I'm out in Wallaroo State Forest once again. We've got Clean Up Australia Day tomorrow. I'm up here a day early. I was meant to come up yesterday, but yeah, it was pissing down rain and I really didn't fancy loading the car up in the pissing down rain. So yeah, up here today. I was planning to camp in this spot because this is where I believe we're meeting tomorrow, but looking at all that, I really don't want to. I'm kind of fearful that I'll wake up in the middle of the night and the pads will be on fire with me in the back of it. So I'm going to head back up to where I was last time. I'm going to stay there again. That was quite a nice spot and quite comfortable for a night, and it's only 10 minutes or so up the road. So I think I'll do that and then I'll head back down here in the morning. But I've just had a bit of a drive and a bit of a walk around here to see what's actually here, and I'll tell you what, the amount of rubbish here is absolutely disgusting. There's what, 5 cars that I can see here. There's another one, you can only see 4, but there's another one behind the camera. There's another half of one just around the bend. There's tyres, there's bloody timber, there's rubbish, there's just shit absolutely everywhere. And it's typical. It's fucking absolute grubs that couldn't be bothered paying tip fees. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna jump in the car. I'm gonna head back to that other spot and I'll see you back there. Well, I'm back where I camped last time. Right back in exactly the same spot, and look at it. What a mess. There's even a sign right there, all right? Welcome to OBFA, Camp OBFA. Please keep it clean, enjoy life, take memories, leave only footsteps. Some mob, I'm guessing another content creator, offbeat family adventures. So I'll take a photo of this and I'll tag them when I get back home so they can see that. But look at this shit. On a good note, it is Clean Up Australia Day tomorrow. So I'm going to get my claw and my gloves and that out. I'm going to clean all this shit up, put it in the trailer, cover my trailer. Then when I get there tomorrow morning, I can dump it all. Because this is friggin' ridiculous. It's a lovely little spot to camp here, which like I really did enjoy it last time. But this mess. Some people, I tell you, no fucking clue. Well, that looks a little bit better, doesn't it? I couldn't quite get it, all of it, because I've only got one garbage bag left. I thought I had more. So yeah. It's not even Clean Up Australia Day yet, and I've pretty well got a full bloody trailer load. Absolutely disgusting that pigs think that this is right to do. It really is. But I'll take this back to the meeting place tomorrow. I'll probably get some bags and then bag it all up, and Forestry will get rid of it. Yeah, people wonder why places get shut down. Come on. Oh, this is lovely. I'm waiting for everyone to turn up. They're running a bit late. It's 8:13. I thought they would have been here by now. But yeah, 8:13, raining. I had half a trailer load before I left campsite. Now I've got a full trailer load. So one of the guys, where I came in yesterday was an easy track. There were a couple of cars dumped down there and whatnot. But as I was coming up, I saw one of the other guys parked up on a street beforehand, or a road beforehand. So yeah, decided to do a U-turn and come back to that one. Only to find a little bit further up the track from where he was, it was impassable due to rubbish dumped. So now I have a white picket fence and some bloody chicken wire and a bunch of other shit on top of all the other crap that was in there from yesterday. So yeah, I really don't get the mentality of these pigs that just dump dump rubbish everywhere. I really don't. Alrighty, so this is the shit that I picked up from camp last night and had to pick up to clear the track on my way home. Here's some more shit from the same track. I know it's coming in here with a load of shit in the back of his. And this is just us getting to the staging area.
Yeah, and he goes in.
Come in a bit closer. I don't have a megaphone.
Oh, come on.
And I'm shy and retiring, so.
So old mate there is going to be dumping a couple of skips, but at the same time, he's taking the wrecks. So yeah, that'll work out good. Yeah, I'm waiting, yeah. You could have come straight inside. No, I'm behind. There's no point taking the bag off yet, so. Size of that bastard. Beautiful markings on him. The size of him. Bloody hell. There you go, wifey, one for you. Know how much women love these? So this is load 3, first load of the bag coming off. As you can see, the truck's almost full. We didn't leave until like 9:30 and it's now like 25 past 10, maybe 10:30. And yeah, truck's almost full. One skip bin's are already full of metal. The truck's got 2 of the cars on, looks like he's going for a few, so that's good. Yeah. There's what, 2 bulker bags already packed up full there. There's my one, another one over there as well, plus all the tyres. Alrighty, vehicle recovery. This is going to be fun. Yeah, it is, not moving. Okay, trying again, this time doing a double line pull. So we've got one from the vehicle to the pulley block, another pulley block on the recovered on the Prado, and then going back to the original strap. We got movement. Oh yeah, he's making it easy for everyone to get in. Yeah, well, so the idea here, in case you guys are wondering and watching, is just to get the cars to a spot where a truck can pick them up a lot easier. I think we've done pretty well today. All the crap over there, tyres, rubbish. He's coming back for the rest of the cars once he's dumped that. I think tomorrow, I think he's coming back. A bit more rubbish there. 3 skips of scrap metal here, another car that's got to go. And then the truck and all the bulker bags. There's a lot of shit there, as per usual. So yeah, I think we've done pretty well. Well guys, that's about it for this one. I've got to thank everybody that's come out here again for Clean Up Australia Day. Of course, it was organised by Forestry New South Wales. And yeah, a whole bunch of different 4-wheel drive clubs in that out here as per usual. So big thanks to everyone that's come out. It's great to see so many people, even in shit weather, coming out to actually offer a hand and help try and clean up. I'm going to go help one of the other guys for a little bit and try and recover a couple of dumped burnt-out vehicles. But other than that, that's the end of it. So if you've liked it, please remember to leave a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Yamma Bujiri Murugu, walk a good path. Yano, goodbye.